It's like a walking path for pedestrians. It's playing nice music now. I think it gets more animated now. Just when we are not around.
It may also be restricted before lunchtime. You're not allowed.
You go around, down,
Up.
stay up.
I think about lunchtime they may not be allowed to play music above a certain decibel until 12 because people are sleeping.
Oh yeah, true.
I think there must be some rules, otherwise.
So like, yeah, they have private balcony there.
Well, they have kind of a staircase like this going up.
But for each person. Sort
They
of.
probably may have a swimming pool.
It's a lot of investment. It's private. No. Looks different. They have a view there. See those people looking? When I look inside, it looks like very they even have a football field.
That must be a bit sweet, that's
that would be kind of residential. Alright, it's good to know. I film everything. There is the film. Oh yeah. I guess I would know because it's bordering the
balcony.
but also the Hard Rock Cafe next to it on the other side. Alright. Yeah, I'm always right when I did say that I need to resist that beer.
I reminded you.
Of course you did. At that point, I felt like I deserved it. Not in the morning as the other day. That was bad. The worst I've ever done. It was almost 11 in the morning. Fantastic. Your colleague correcting us, talking of fantastic. We were talking of fantastic movies. Fantastic.
Up or down?
We stay up, huh? If that's what's down. There's no. I've seen it all. It's slightly quieter. It's Martin. I'm curious. How much does it cost to rent this? As you can see, it's family. Maybe with others still working. Not on holiday, actually.
I think that it some flats, something those houses, I think every
Really?
yeah.
Huh?
People using downstairs and upstairs in the same.
You think?
Or in the ground floor first or something.
Yeah, it's possible. Among was like that, actually. It was.
I mean, I could be wrong. Some of them maybe have somebody living.
Yeah, I suppose it seemed to work for.
One that had people eating down and
Yeah, I didn't. Maybe I should remember this one.
Santiago.
Yeah, you can connect using. Yeah, could be.
Well, they're still at the Las Vistas, but I think this may be.
No, we finish this here. Huh? This is not Las Vista, actually. This is
Cameras.
Camison. The Camison. So it's probably a different how do you say, playa. Oh, so at some point we'll have to decide whether we take the left or the right side. Do you think this is softer than the wood? Huh? Because we can cut through. Bondi Beach, I think that's their Bondi Beach style place. Did you see that chicken? You could have the whole chicken. And we had, we had half of it, pretty much. Everyone is filming something. It's a nice band, it's playing.
Shall I give it?
Yeah, why not? Artistic life. Takes, I think, may need to go the other way around because that's the only part I'm interested in. You go left. Might even sit on a bench.